So what's up, guys? Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. There's a boot loop issue. So we did try to open this phone already to take a look what's going on. Phone does seem to charge, but it's boot looping. And it has this bad burning smell. Oof. So phone is boot looping. So we need to take out the logic board and test to see what's going on. Other than that, so we need to take out the logic board from the housing and to see what is burning. Basically we just separate out the board to see, isolate the short to see where it came from. So let's check the top board to see if it's short or not. So it's got nothing. So we plug in this one. So it's taking 0 amp. I mean, the top port was not shorted. So the issue is now it's the bottom board. So the bottom board is short. So we need to locate where's that short is at. And remove it. Okay, I think we know where the short is at. This phone was dropped in the back, so it's cracked this IC right here. So it's the chip right here that got cracked, and it was a little bit hot right around this area. So this is an NFC. It's a near field communication device. Let's say if you have like use your credit card, like something short like that, or the phone is near some device, and that's what this chip is used for. Let's go ahead and remove that chip. No wonder we see this, what's hot in that area. There. Just move one already. There we go. Where's that chip went to? There it is. Yeah. As you can see, it's cracked. Yeah, see? Cracked. No wonder the phone was hot right there. Okay, let's put a replacement chip. We found a donor. So let's see where is this at. Just a dot. So this way. It's hard to really see, but there's a dot right here. And this corner right here is 1, A1. So the dot should, see, it's a dot right there, should align with A1. Let's try, we can zoom in. It's good. So basically, we're going to test to see if it's too short or not. Out there, we fixed that broken NFC chip. So let's go ahead. Okay, and we plug it in, and if it's short, it should show something. Okay, phone's good. It's not short anymore. It's taking 0 amp. It means it's not short. Same here. Okay. So it's good. So we need to put the phone back together. We need to reball the board and put it back together. So that's another extra step we have to do when we repair these iPhone 12. It's a pain in the butt, but it's something we have to do. Okay, the board has cooled down. Let's test to see if it works. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's boot up.